Hello, children. I'm your science mom speaking. I hope you all are being safe with God's blessings. So please be in home and be safe. Drink only hot water and eat more healthy foods. Wash your hands regularly and keep yourself clean. Right. Today we are going to see the lesson 2, the world of green. So what is the name of the lesson? The world of green. Children, keep your studio book, page number 35, and your pencil. Side by side, whenever the answers were discussed, please write the answer neatly in your book. Okay, now let us begin our lesson. Here is a slide you can see a very beautiful green garden with more colorful flowers, butterflies, and birds. It's very pleasant to be here, isn't it? When you see around the more colorful flowers and the pleasant sound of birds, really your heart will feel very happy and your mind will get relaxed. So the plants are the backbone of our earth. Everywhere on the earth we can able to see the plants. It is really important for all the living things also. We human being, animals, birds, fishes, insects, all are in need of plants. Plants helps living things to breathe. It makes our world as greeny. So here we have a big question. What is the big question given? How do I take care of plants around me? So how will you take care of plants around me? This is the question given. So you will get the answer for this question and clear idea how to take care of the plants by the end of this lesson. Then you will be able to easily understand how to take care of the plant around us. As we all know that plants are very important for all living things, it is our duty also to take care of plants. Right. Now, in this lesson, we will be able to learn the basic parts of a plant and their functions. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn what are the parts of a plant and what are the functions of the plant. Next, we are going to observe the variety in plant around us. Varieties means we are going to see different types of plants present on this earth. Next, we are going to explore the ways to take care of plant around us. So, we are going to discuss how to take care of plants. So, these are the topics we are going to discuss in this lesson. Right. Here is a Pip activity. You can see a beautiful garden in this picture. Now, children, just follow my instruction. Everyone close your eyes and you just imagine that you are walking in this garden. So around you it is full of green and more colorful flowers. You are sitting there with the pleasant breeze. You can hear the sound of birds. It will be very pleasant to be here, isn't it? Right. Really, it will be pleasant nature also. Now, with the same happiness, we can observe each plant and let us find the difference among them. Look, some plants are tall, some are small, some are thick and hard woody stem, some have flowers and fruits with different colors. Some plants are standing straight, but some are growing on support. Some plants grow very little on the ground. Some plants are grown in the pot. So, have you observed this? Yes. So, the question given in the PEP activity is observe the numbered plant in the image of the garden. So, what are the numbers given for the plant? Number 1, it is a big tree. 2, a plant is growing on the tree with a support. Number 3, you can see more colorful flowers. The plant is very bushy. Number 4, again a plant is growing on the fence for a support. Number 5, it is a very small plant. Number 6, it is a plant, again it is bushy with more colorful flowers. Number 7, the small plants growing near the fence. Number 8, a plant is there in the pot. Number 9, again it is a mango tree. Number 10, you can see the plant which is growing on the ground with a large size vegetable in that. So these are the numbers given for the plant here we observed. Now we can answer for the questions given. Yeah, first question. Imagine that you are taking a walk in this garden. How would you feel? As I told before, you just tell me how you will feel if you are walking in this garden. So I have given an answer here, but children, you can write your own answer. So you will be feeling very happy, excited, feel pleasant, and enjoy the beauty of the world. Next question. Choose any two of the plants that have been numbered in this garden. Write any two differences between them. The question is, you can select any two plants that we saw in the page, in the picture, and you need to write two differences between them. Now, for example, I have given two examples. Option A, rose plant. It is not having any fruit and it is a small plant with thorns and flowers. B option is, it is a tree. It has fruits. It is a big tree and have more branches with flowers and fruits. So these are the answers and two difference between the plants. Right. Plants make our world green and beautiful. They are found in almost all places on the earth. They come in many different forms, shapes, sizes, and colors. Plants also provide food and shelter to other living things. So, plants make our world green and beautiful. Plants are seen in mostly all parts of the earth. There are many different forms. Their shapes and sizes and colors vary from plants to plant. Plants provide food and shelter for other living things also. So, in this lesson, we will learn more about plants and ways to take care of them. Now, here is a key question. How do the different parts of a plant help it stay alive? So, we know that the plants are having different parts. Now, we are going to discuss about the parts, how it helps the plant to stay alive. We use different parts of our body to do different actions. Even our body, we have different parts which is helping for doing different actions. For example, we are seeing with our eyes, we are smelling with our nose, we are writing with our hand, we are walking with our legs, we are speaking with our mouth. So all the parts are doing some functions for our body. The same way, the plants also have different parts to grow and stay alive. Now here is a plant. Here is an activity. Look around. Choose a plant from your surroundings and observe it carefully. Draw it and label at least three parts. So you can draw a plant in the space given in your book and write three parts at least. Do you think the plant that you drew has a part that you are not able to see? When you are drawing the plant, whether can you able to see all the parts? Or if you see a plant around you on the soil or on the land, can you able to see all the parts in that canal? No, we can't able to see, isn't it? One part will be hiding inside the soil. So it is the root. Root will be growing under the soil that we can't able to see in the naked eye. The parts of a plant that grow below the ground form its root system. So what we are saying, the part of the plant that grow below the ground, it is called as root system. The part of the plant that grow above the ground is called as shoot system. So the part which we are seeing around is called as shoot system. So the plant is separated as shoot system and root system. Shoot system means the plant which we see above the ground is called as shoot system, and the root system, the plant that is growing below the ground, is called as root system. Now here are the parts of the plant is given. So what we have in the root system? The roots. Exactly. Next, in shoot system we have stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and buds. So these are the parts present in a plant. Now here is a word wall that we can discuss. Repeat after me, children. Happy, garden, enjoy, beauty, world, earth, forms, shapes, sizes, colors, provide, shelter, alive, root system, shoot system. Children, please write these words in your note and have a repeated learning practice. Right. So we saw the parts of the plant, isn't it? Leaf, fruit, flower, stem and roots. Each part of the root and shoot system performs specific functions. So all the part of the plant is performing special functions for the plant to grow. We can discuss one by one. First, root is given. Roots hold the plant firmly to the ground. So what is the root doing? It is holding the plant tightly to the ground. It grows downwards in search of water. As a root or below the soil, it grows downwards in search of water. It absorbs the water and minerals from the soil. So what is the function of the root? It absorbs the water and mineral from the soil. Next we can see about the stem. Stem provides shape and structure to the plant. It grows towards the sunlight. Yes, of course, as the stem is above the soil, it grows towards the sunlight. Stems are divided into branches that carry the leaves, flowers and fruits. So the leaves, flowers and fruits grow in the stem part. The stem carries water and minerals absorbed by the roots to all other plant parts. So what is the work of the stem? It carries the water and minerals absorbed by the roots to other plant parts. It carries food made by the leaves to all plant parts. So it is taking the food prepared by the leaves to all the plant parts also. So next we are going to see the function of the leaves. Leaves are usually green in color. Yes, of course, most of the plants will be having green color leaves. Leaves grow on the stem or branches. Use air, water and sunlight to make food for the plant. It is the main function of the leaves. Only with the help of leaf a plant can able to grow healthily. The work of the leaf is the leaf prepare the food for the plant using the air, water and sunlight. So this is the main process of the leaf. Next, flowers. Flowers usually they are colorful. They have pleasant smell also. Helps in reproduction. Many flowers develop into fruits. So these are the functions of the flowers. Next, fruits. Fruits are usually fleshy. Protect the seeds within it. So inside the fruit we can able to see the seeds. Seeds can develop into new plants. So these seeds are developing into new plants. The different parts of a plant work together to help it grow healthy and stay alive. So all the part of the plant help the plant to grow and stay alive. Next, here is again a word wall related to the topic what we discussed now about the functions of the plant. Leaves. Children, repeat after me. Leaves, stem, roots, branches, flowers, buds, hold firmly, ground, absorb water, minerals, shape, structure, sunlight, carries, reproduction, fleshy. As I told before, write the words in your note and have a repeated learning. Right. So plants prepare their food in the leaves with the help of air, water, minerals and sunlight. This we saw before, isn't it? So now using that we have an activity here. Let us discuss. Leaves make food using water, minerals and air and sunlight. So here are some functions of the parts of the plant is given. Let us discuss one by one. The root absorb water and minerals from the soil. What is the first process of a plant? The root is absorbing the water from the soil. The second process is the stem carries the water and minerals to all parts of the plant including the leaves. So what the stem is doing? It absorbs and takes the water and minerals to the all parts of the plant and the leaves also. Using the water and minerals and air and sunlight, the third function is the leaves make the food for the plant. After preparing the food using the water, mineral, air and sunlight, again the stem carries the food made by the leaves to all parts of the plant. After carrying to all parts, the plant uses the food to grow healthy and stay alive. So these are the functions of the plant parts. Now children, in your book you can write the order. Next, it's time for interesting facts about fruits. So here I have shared two interesting facts about the fruits. Let us see. We know that apple, peach, raspberry, all these are fruits which are very taste, isn't it? So these fruits are all belong to the member rose family. The next one is pumpkin and avocado. These two are fruits or not vegetables. These are fruits, not vegetables. Next, green fruits help make your bones and teeth stronger. Next amazing is each pineapple plant only produces one pineapple per year. So one pineapple can produces only one pineapple from a plant for a year. Okay. So thank you, children. Have a great day. Have a repeated go through your lesson. We can see in the next video. Thank you.